I bought a Toyota race truck from out west. My brother came over and he's looking at me and he's like, what are you gonna do with this thing? And I'm like, I'm gonna race it. And he's like, what are you gonna do when it breaks? I'm gonna learn how to fix it. I didn't know anything about TIG welding. So, I went and got me a old Miller Syncrowave 250 and sat on the bench for night after night and just learned how to TIG weld. It's a beast, and it's super reliable, and it's built right here in the United States. In fact, right near our hometown in Appleton, Wisconsin. We use parts that we can depend on and quality equipment.
Switching to the Dynasty from the Syncrowave being that big giant dinosaur was awesome. Just something so compact and consistent. Even now going to the 300 with the Bluetooth pedal, we were all real unsure about it in the beginning, but now we basically all fight about it.
The guys are crawling inside these chassis, and they don't have to drag the cord with them. That alone has been a game changer. It's just an amazing addition to that machine.
Some of the key features that we really like about the Dynasty is the easy, simple way it is to set it up. Be able to go through all the settings on it. It also has pulse with the LCD screen. It physically has a picture, a display of the graph. You can go through all the different setups on it and click on them, and it's going to show you right there on the screen what it's going to do before you ever even strike an arc. It's really simple to use. For somebody that would just know the basics of TIG welding and know what they like, you could go into that screen and figure it out really easy. And then as well as the ease of movement, the ease of compact, being that it's so much smaller and also still having the cooler feature, really makes it a lights out package.